Welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday October 24th to Saturday October 30, 2021, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. It's on sale 2 for $7.98. So you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ at $7.98. You can use one $7.98 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Pay or roll, nothing out of pocket. So the final cost is both toothpaste is free. My next deal is any NYX cosmetic deal. Spend $12 and get back $5 ECB, and this time they have the limit 2 per household. So you can grab one NYX Butter Gloss lipstick, it's $11.99. You can use one 3 of 10 NYX cosmetic CVS CRT, and if you have $2 of NYX cosmetic CVS CRT, so the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Maybelline cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. This one also has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 4 Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's $25.96. It's $6.49 each. You can use one 5 of 20 Maybelline cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Maybelline mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Plus you can use one $2 of Maybelline cosmetic digital coupon and use $2 of Maybelline cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com and use one $2 of Maybelline cosmetic printable coupon on maybelline.com. So the total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $9.96 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost, both all this product is free plus 4-cent money maker in this deal. My next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab one CoverGirl Simply Ageless Serum, it's $19.99, and buy one CoverGirl Lip Gloss, it's $10.29. So the totals come out $30.28. You can use one 6 of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 of CoverGirl Mystery coupon, it's printed on this week. Plus you can use two $6 of CoverGirl Serum CVS CRT and use one $2 of CoverGirl Lip App Only coupon. So the total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $7.28 and get back $14 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $9.72 money maker. And if we get any printable or digital coupon, that will be the money maker deal for the CoverGirl product. So must do this deal on next Sunday. My next deal is L'Oreal cosmetic deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 3 L'Oreal Voluminize Original Mascara. It's $29.37. It's $9.79 each. And buy one L'Oreal Paris Single Eyeshadow. It's $6.99. So the totals come out $36.36. You can use one 10 of 35 L'Oreal Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one free cosmetic up to $5 CVS message coupon. Check on your message on CVS Extra Care. So you can get the $5 CVS message coupon for today. Plus you can use one $2 of L'Oreal Eye digital coupon and use $2 of Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $15.36 and get back $12 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just 36 cents or 9 cents each. My next deal is Iris Spring Body Wash or Bar Soap deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale 2 for $8. So you can grab 2 Irish Spring body wash is $8. You can use $2 of 2 Irish Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use 75 cents of Irish Spring printable coupon on irishspring.com. So the total coupon is $5.50. Pay or roll $2.50 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 50 cents or 25 cents each. My next deal is any Flamingo or Harry's Save product deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Harry's razor blade for men 4 city. It's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. You can use 1/5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 2 Harry's razor or refill digital coupon and use 1 printable coupon on coupon.com. But that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $15. You can pay or roll $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is select Gillette Venus razor or refill or save gel deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Gillette Foamy regular Save Cream 11 OZ. It's $5.38. It's $3.59 each. Pay or roll $5.38 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.38 or $1.19 each. The next deal is select Pain Relief Cold Femini Eye or Baby Care deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Summer Eve cleansing clothes 16 city. It's $5.53. It's $3.69 each and it's buy one get one 50% off. Also you can use $2 of 2 Summer Eve product CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $1.53 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.46 money maker in this deal. My next deal is Garnier facial care deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. So you can grab 1 Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ. It's $22.49 and buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $7.79. So the totals come out $30.28. You can use 1/4 of 25 Garnier facial care CVS CRT. Use $5 of Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. And use $3 of Garnier Green Lab Serum printable coupon on coupon.com. Plus you can use $2 of Garnier facial care digital coupon. So the total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $7.28 and get back $5 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus 72 cent money maker in this deal. My next deal is L'Oreal facial care deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 1 L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizer. It's $21.49 and buy 2 L'Oreal foaming gel cleanser 6.8 OZ. It's $10.38. It's $5.19 each. So the totals come out $31.87. You can use 5 of 15 L'Oreal facial care CVS CRT. Use $6 of L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizer CVS CRT. Use $4 of L'Oreal Age Perfect digital coupon and use $2 of L'Oreal facial care digital coupon. Plus you can use $2 of L'Oreal facial care printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $30. Pay or roll $1.87 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $11.13 money maker in this deal. My next deal is L'Oreal facial care deal scenario 2. Spend $30, get back $10 ECB. So you can grab 1 L'Oreal Revitalift serum. It's $32.99. You can use 5 of 15 L'Oreal facial care CVS CRT. Use $6 of L'Oreal Revitalift serum CVS CRT. Use $3 of L'Oreal serums digital coupon. So the total coupon is $25. Pay or roll $7.99 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $5.01 money maker in this deal. The next deal is Bebo bathroom tissue deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 free. So you can grab 2 Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll. It's $10.99 because it's buy 1 get 1 free. You can use $8 of Bebo bath tissue CVS CRT. Pay or roll $2.99 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 99 cents or 50 cents each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Scott paper towel 12 roll. It's $20.98. It's $10.49 each. And buy 2 Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT. It's $9.88. It's $4.94 each. So the totals come out $30.86. You can use 3 of 10 Scott paper towel and bath tissue CVS CRT. Use $1 of Tide Pod digital coupon and use 1 Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $22.86 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $12.86 or $3.21 each. My next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend 30 get back $10 ECB. So you can grab 1 Tide liquid 92FL OZ. It's $11.94 and buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 cities $11.94. Plus you can buy 1 draft newborn baby liquid 46 OZ. It's $11.94. So the totals come out $35.82. You can use 1/6 of 30 any purchase CVS CRT. Use $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon, use $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon and use $3 of draft digital coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $20.82 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $10.82 or $3.60 each. The next deal is select Glucerna product deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Glucerna mini treat snacks bar. It's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. You can use 1/3 of 2 Glucerna products CVS CRT. Use $3 of Glucerna printable coupon on glucerna.com for the new sign up. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $3.58 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.42 money maker in this deal. The next deal is any You Buy Kotex deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you can grab 2 You Buy Kotex panty liner 18 count. It's $2.83. It's $1.89 each. So you can pay or roll $2.83 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 83 cents or 41 cents each. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.